Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to remove duplicates from CSV file using Python. Okay, so I have here some rows which are fruits and some food items. So here apple row is repeated 4 times, again 2 times in the bottom, and pizza is repeated 1 and 3 times here and 2 times. So I want to remove duplicates from CSV file using Python. Okay, so let's write the code. So I am using the set property to remove the duplicates. So I will define a set called line set. So set property of means the set won't allow the duplicates, right? So I am using that property to remove the duplicates. Okay, let's open the file with open sample.csv for reading. Okay, as FD. Okay, for line in FD. Okay, lines dot add line. Okay, I'm adding each line to the line set. Okay, guys. Then what I will do is I will open the same file and I will write those unique lines. Okay, so open the same file for writing. Okay, then fd dot write. Okay, then I will join those lines with the space. Okay, then I will write into the CSV those unique lines. Okay, then duplicates will be get removed. Let's run this code and see. Let's close this file. It's open. Run and see. Yeah, now open the CSV and see. So all lines are eliminated. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.